So I know this video will be all over, but I hope you enjoy because I'm enjoying this me time at 3 p.m. but this video will be all over. Just enjoy it. Bye. Hata sijawasalimia sasa. Ni wadau na wadau dates, what's up, what's good, how you feeling, how you doing? Okay, sasa enjoy the video. Oh, hi guys. So I can't sleep. Okay, short story. So leo I woke up. Jana. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Okay, today is Sunday. I woke up on today is Sunday, but on Saturday I nikafanya clean up mango nini, so nikachoka, but by the time ninaanza hiyo kazi nilikuwa nisha make pancakes. So and I was tired. Now my body does this. When I'm tired, I don't sleep. Like sipatangi usingizi when I'm tired. So ikafika usiku, I have been watching like Grey's Anatomy for so long. Ikafika 1:40 a.m. bado sijalala, so I decided to cook for my sister. Juu nilikuwa nimepika pancakes asubuhi, amekuja akakula. I was too tired to cook. Like sikuwa najisikia kupika. So imefika usiku, I'm like okay, anaenda shule kesho, so sinipike like asubuhi apate kitu ya kula. So I'm cooking and nagoja saa ziwe, but right now it's 2:25. It's 2:25. I don't know if you can see it. It's 2:25. Zinaivas, bado food zinaiva. So I'm just here alone. I don't know what I'm doing, but nagoja zive. It's 2:22. I'm still watching. Okay, ninaongea tu, but anyway, just wanted to catch you up, guys. And at least I hope you enjoy the content. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just keeping myself busy since I can't sleep. Okay, bye.
I am rich, I am free, money flows like the sea. Wealth is mine, it's my fate. Every day I create. I am gold, I am bright, shining through day and night. Cash in hand, dreams in sight. Everything just feels right. I am wealth, I am strong, with abundance I belong. I am rich, I'm on fire, all I want I acquire. I don't fear, I attract what I need. Every wish tight I heed. I am open and receiving. Every dollar I'm believing. Wealth fills up every space, always steady in the race. I am wealth, I am strong, with abundance I belong. I am rich, I'm on fire, all I want I acquire. Fear, I attract what I need. Every wish tight I heed. I am open and receiving. Every dollar I'm believing. Wealth fills up every space, always steady in the race.
And the food is ready, so akiamka ataipata. That's the food. Chai nilikuwa nishapika, and if she wants pancakes zenye tena alibakisha with the bread, atakula. And it's currently, wacha tuone, it's 2:30. So yeah, so that's the end of the video, guys. So anyway, that's the end of the video. See you in the next one. Bye.